What's up, guys? So this is my new dirt bike. So it is a 2023 Yamaha TTR 230. So it's a trail bike, nothing super special. This is actually being taken after the ride with it because I was in such a rush today that I didn't get a chance to do any intro video or anything like that on it. And I'm just gonna go over just some minor stuff with it, likes, dislikes, whatever. I'm gonna try to be quick about it so that way you guys can get into the video. So basically, I'm just gonna go ahead and start off with the likes. The power is nice for what it is. It's definitely stronger than my 125 for sure. Has a lot more pickup and go, and it's also a lot faster. So I do appreciate those things. It's also got a much better choke right here, where it actually sits in multiple positions. So I actually like that way more than just preset positions, because that just kind of makes choking kind of annoying. So I like that. The suspension is a little bit stiffer, which I do appreciate, bottoming from jumps and stuff like that, which you're not really supposed to do with this thing, but I do it anyways. So that's basically about it. I do like it being bigger as well. I can't really touch ground too well on it, but that's okay. This is what it is. Dislikes. No key. I think that is really stupid. This thing has no sense of security, which, I mean, that's how most dirt bikes are anyways. I'm still trying to get used to dirt bikes, so laugh all you want. I don't care. So there's problem number one. And then problem number two is it has absolutely no kickstart anywhere. So if the battery is dead on this thing, you basically have to just bump it up into fifth gear, start running, and, you know, dump the clutch. That's the only way it's going to start, which is really annoying. I really wish that it had a kickstart, and I don't know why it doesn't. No idea, because my 125 does. So, sure. Other than that, last thing is, you know, the price. This thing doesn't cost anything. They're really, really easy to find, and I'm hoping that it's going to last. Who knows? We're just going to have to find out in the future. I want to hold this and get good at riding it, so that way I can probably upgrade to like a 250. Because I'm trying to branch out away from, well, not away from, but branch out from mudding content. I definitely want to, you know, do other styles of content, dirt bike content, some street content, you know, just kind of have a little bit more fun with the channel. But yeah, so I'll go ahead and get right into the video. And I just want to say ahead of time, I apologize for my hair being destroyed, but just being note that I did not talk while riding this thing at all. That's just, I don't know, I was just enjoying the moment. So just please, I hope that you guys can understand that, you know, my big thing was I just wanted to enjoy the bike. And I'm really tired today. It's been a long day, but because I'm recording this all on the same day. There might be some cuts and stuff from tomorrow, maybe, but I was mostly doing Bud's flat track. That's where I was most of the time. I haven't gotten comfortable with hills and stuff like that just yet, but I will get there eventually. But I hope you guys enjoy the video, and sorry for the choppy audio and everything, because it's just all over the place, so I apologize for that. not too bad. Whew. We'll just go around that. Still a new bike, so I don't want to screw up. good actually. Whoop, okay. Maybe, there we go. That's not too bad actually. Not bad at all.